Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2010 Honda NT700V Twin. ABS brakes. This sport touring V Twin just arrived with 43,800 miles. Very good condition. Combined ABS. The bike runs beautifully. It's great for touring, great for commuting. It's got the side cases to hold your stuff. It's got a mechanical cruise control, USB port, phone mount. This would be a great commuter bike. Adjustable windscreen. Come on by, check it out. The price to sell for just $34.99. We have financing. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Baby brother to the ST1300. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.